In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix cannot verify payment information on your iOS device. Let's get started. First, make sure your payment method is entered correctly. On settings, click on your Apple ID, go to payment and shipping, sign in if prompted, and carefully check your card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and cardholder name. Even a small mistake can prevent Apple from verifying payment information. If anything is incorrect, update the details and save the changes. Next, verify that your payment method is still valid. Make sure your debit or credit card has not expired, has sufficient funds or available credit, and has not been blocked by bank for online or international purchases. If necessary, contact your bank to confirm that there are no restrictions preventing transactions with Apple. If the issue continues, try removing your current payment method and adding it again. Go to settings. Click on your Apple ID, go to payment and shipping, remove the existing payment method if possible, then add it again with the correct information. You can also try adding a different supported payment method to see if that resolves the problem. Another thing to check is your Apple account reason. For that, go to settings, tap a name, go to media and purchases, select view account and confirm that your country or reason matches your billing address and payment method. A mismatch between your account reason and your payment method can cause verification errors. If you have recently made multiple failed payment attempts or have an unpaid balance on your Apple account, Apple may temporarily restrict purchases until the outstanding balance is cleared. After paying any unpaid charges, wait a few minutes and try again. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact Apple support. They can review your account for payment-related restrictions or verification issues and provide guidance specific to your Apple account. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.